Aloha everybody, welcome back to Eat and Be Eaten Hawaii. Today we are continuing with our Canoe Plants of Hawaii series, and we are looking at hau, or hibiscus. There are a number of different types of hibiscus. The yellow hibiscus, one species of yellow hibiscus called ma'ohau hele, is the official state flower of Hawaii. And hibiscus generally are members of the malo family, and they grow up to 3 meters or 10 feet. Ma'ohauhele in particular, is extinct in the wild, but you'll see hibiscus growing all over the place in Hawaii, being raised by people in yards and gardens. Ma'ohauhele is native to Hawaii and endemic. In fact, it grows nowhere else in the world, but there were other species of hau that were brought over by Polynesians on the canoes to Hawaii. Two of the main uses of hau in traditional times were to make ama, or outriggers, for canoes, as well as to make rope or cordage out of the soft underlayer beneath the bark. Hibiscus is a lightweight wood, and so they were also used to make handles for adzes, as well as other lightweight applications like brooms and the crossbeams for kites. One final use was to make the sap from the flower buds to make a mild laxative. They're propagated from cuttings and can also be used to create a natural fence barrier. If you want to see videos on other canoe plants of Hawaii, click the link in the upper corner or subscribe to keep up to date, and we'll see you next time. Aloha!